Hi my friends, I have over here the LISEN car holder. I got so many types of car holders like this that attach to the air conditioner lines, and all of them after 3-4 months of use already popped off or whatever, broke. This one is tied already for 2 years. I'm gonna show you right now. I bought it on 21 September, I think 21. It's already almost 2.5 years that I have it, and I really recommend using it, guys. Very high quality, and the mechanic system, how it worked attached to the air conditioning, I really recommend to everyone. You're gonna like it, trust me on it. This will satisfy you 100%. Look at Amazon, how many good reviews, guys. The link below, check it out. You're gonna love it, I promise. Okay, see you. Thank you. Thumbs up and subscribe for more honest videos.